Kitchen vocabulary or kitchen utensils name: kettle, toaster, mixer, refrigerator, blender, kitchen cabinet, cupboard, cooker hood or range hood, microwave, dish soap, kitchen counter, dinner table or dining table, paddle bin, grill, apron, bread basket, bowl, measuring cup, baking tray, spice container, grater, colander or strainer, oven glove, napkin, rolling pin, whisk, measuring spoon, spoon, spatula, mash skimmer, cleaver, cutlery, can opener, corkscrew, cookware, tongs, ladle, masher, knife, fork, bottle, bottle opener, butter knife, cake slicer, chopsticks, deep fryer, dish rack, funnel, gas stove, hot pot, jar, jug, juicer, lemon squeezer, matchbox, mortar or pestle, pan, peeler, pepper mill, pizza cutter, plate, pressure cooker, sieve, thermos, wok, wash basin, cup, scissor, perforated spoon.